Snuggle up, the cozy English phrase explained. Hello dear learners. Today, we are diving into a heartwarming English phrase that many people adore. Snuggle up. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Let's get started. Snuggle is a verb that refers to settling or moving into a warm, comfortable, or protected position. It often implies a feeling of comfort, warmth, or affection. Up is a preposition that, in this context, intensifies the closeness or coziness of the action. When combined, snuggle up means to get close and comfortable, often with another person, to share warmth or affection. To truly understand a phrase, it's always helpful to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. It's cold tonight. Let's snuggle up and watch a movie. 2. She snuggled up to her teddy bear every night before sleeping. 3. On rainy days, I like to snuggle up with a good book. Here are some common situations when you might hear or use snuggle up. 1. Cold weather. When it's chilly outside, and you want to get warm and comfortable. 2. Watching movies, sharing a couch or bed with someone while watching TV or a movie. 3. Sleeping or resting. Getting cozy in bed or on a couch, either alone or with someone else. 4. Comforting someone. When someone is sad or scared, you might snuggle up to offer comfort. So, the next time you find yourself in a chilly room or settling down for a movie night, you'll know the perfect English phrase to use. We hope you enjoyed this explainer on Snuggle Up. Stay cozy, and keep learning.